Hi, I'm Mia, and today I will be walking you through how to use the public library feature within your Ginkgo account. Basically, what this does is it draws in publicly available data, whether it's from the federal scale, like US Census data, or local government scale data, and it draws that into your map and it allows you to compare that information with other data that you are yourself importing into your map. So the first step is make sure that you are within the map page in your Ginkgo account. And today we're going to be paying attention to the map layers icon and the public data icon within the blue toolbar to the left. So basically, all publicly available data in Ginkgo exists within this public data icon. So if you click it and wait for all of these data sets to load, we'll see all of the different information that is available to us. And within the map layers, we can really just bring that into our map and toggle them on and off and compare them, which we'll do in a bit. But first, we'll just select a data set. You can either scroll through it or you can type in a keyword. And today, I'm going to look at public benches in New York City. So I just typed in bench, and this data set from New York City Open Data has popped up. You can also click the source data and it will take you to where this data exists publicly, and you can get your metadata and other information, so that's very handy. So once you click the data set, you'll see that it says no data for this location, but if you just toggle that orange map layer, that orange icon right there, then we will see all of our data points become visible, in addition to a legend right here that shows us the categorization of our data. So if you click one of these data points, then we'll see the information about that data point pop up to the left. And now going back into map layers, we'll see that the data set that we selected is now listed as active on map, which we can toggle on and off. This is also where we can compare other data sets. For example, if we want to draw in more publicly available data and compare that to New York City benches. For example, I want to see where benches and public Wi-Fi hotspots cross over. I can select public Wi-Fi hotspots, and we can see that these two data sets have been drawn in together, and we can see where that crossover happens. Also toggle them on and off here. So that's about it. A couple tips are that if you want to see all of the publicly available data sets within Ginkgo all listed out, you can go into support your data in Ginkgo, and then within this public data library page, if you scroll down, you'll see a comprehensive list of all of the data sets that are available, in addition to a beautiful Airtable where we can see all of this categorized visually. Also, if you have a data set that you don't see within our Ginkgo library, if you just email support@ginkgo.city, we can usually have that data set ready for you within an hour, so please let us know. Lastly, all of these public data library features are available within the mobile version of the Ginkgo account. So as you can see here, we can navigate through all of this public data on our phones. And that is about it. That is how you draw in publicly available data into your Ginkgo account.